morning, students. Today we are going to study about kinds of sentences. Just before this, we have read about a sentence. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words. And after that, we took the topic of parts of sentence. Parts of sentence. How many parts of sentence are there? There are two parts of sentence. First is subject and second is predicate. Subject is about which the sentence is said, and predicate is what is said about the subject. Okay. Now the third topic that we are going to study is kinds of sentences. As you are able to see the board that there are four kinds of sentences. How many kinds of sentences are there? Four kinds of sentences are there. First, now we come on the first kind of sentence. The first kind of sentence is a simple statement that you speak to convey your message in a simple manner to somebody, where you are not using any question mark, you are not using any exclamatory mark, just simply you are conveying your message to somebody. Example of this statement. First example is I am reading. In this, I'm just only conveying my message to somebody without asking anything, without exclamating anything. Okay. Now, on the second turn, we come on the interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence is a sentence in which we interrogate somebody, we ask somebody that what are you doing, what do you want to do, where are you going, means whatever you are want to ask him, you want to know the answer in that, that is called as a interrogative question, interrogative sentence, or we can also call it a question. Example of this interrogative sentence is where are you going? Now check all the important things in this sentence. First important thing in this sentence is that the sentence is starting with a capital letter and ending with a question mark. This is the interrogative sentence which always ends with a question mark. Now next is imperative sentence. In imperative sentences, we command somebody, we request somebody, we order somebody. Means in this sentence, our sentence begins with a verb. Same process is here, that this sentence will also start with a capital letter and will end on a full stop. Okay. Third example is of imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is bring your notebook. Now look at this sentence. A sentence is starting here with a verb. A sentence is starting here with a verb. So this is the imperative sentence in which your teacher is ordering you to bring your notebook to her. Okay? And the last thing that comes is exclamatory sentence. In exclamatory sentence, we show our sudden feeling. We show a sudden feeling or whatever, something surprising you suddenly get to know. You express that thing in that sentence. Okay. Example, as all you know that I have expressed all these sentences before this also. Again I am telling you, you have to understand it carefully, listen me carefully. then you will be able to understand it. Okay. So exclamatory sentences are those sentences in which we get a strong feeling or we get a surprise from somebody. From that surprise, the feeling or that the emotion that comes out, that is called as exclamation, and due to that expression, the sentence that you speak is called as exclamatory sentence. I'm giving you an example here of that. That is, just look at here. Wow, what a beautiful painting it is. Means how beautiful painting is this that I haven't seen before this. In this you are getting the expression that you haven't seen this before this, and you just seen it, and after watching it you are just surprised by it. So that is giving you the exclamatory feeling. Okay, a sudden feeling that we call exclamatory feeling or sudden feeling, surprise. Okay. And regarding